Hello everyone, I am Dr. Utkarsh Sanghavi, a cardiovascular and thoracic surgeon working at Narayan Hospitals, Ahmedabad. On this World Yoga Day, I would like to tell you about a few asanas which will help you improve your heart health. First is Bhujaga Asana. It is also known as the Cobra pose. To perform this asana, one needs to lie flat on his stomach with both the feet together. Place both the palms under your shoulders and make sure that both the elbows are touching your body and your nose is touching the ground. Inhale deeply and slowly lift your upper part of the body by pressing both the palms on the ground, and while performing this asana, make sure that the lower part of the body below the navel always touches the ground and you form a uniform curve backwards. After performing this asana, slowly exhale, and once you exhale, slowly bring down the body back on the ground. After this asana, take rest for around 20 to 30 seconds and repeat it. The benefits of this asana are, it improves your heart health by increasing the blood flow to the heart and ultimately improving the circulation. It also improves the lung capacity by increasing the chest cavity volume. It also relaxes your spine and the spinal muscles. It also regulates your blood sugar levels. Second asana is pranayam. It is also known as the breath hold asana. To perform this asana, one needs to sit upright in Padmasana with both the hands on the knees in the Gnan Mudra position. Close your eyes slowly and breathe routinely. After this, close your right nostril and inhale for a count of 4 seconds. Then close both the nostril and hold your breath for a count of 4 seconds. After that, release the right nostril and exhale through it for a count of 8 seconds. Then simultaneously repeat the same with the other nostril. This asana can be done for 10 to 15 minutes. The benefits of this asana are, it helps to control your heart rate and your blood pressure levels by controlling the vagus nerve. It also increases your chest cavity volume and hence helps in improving your breathing. It also controls your full body and your insulin levels, hence controlling the blood sugar level also. The third asana is Ardha Chakra Asana. It is also known as the half wheel asana. To perform this asana, one needs to stand upright with both the feet together. Place both the hands on your lower back or the hips with the finger pointing downwards. Slowly inhale and bend your upper body backwards and rotate your chest upwards towards the ceiling and the neck backwards. Make sure that both the legs are straight. Inhale and exhale routinely for around 20 to 30 seconds. After that, inhale slowly and slowly bring your back forward. The benefits of this asana are same, it improves your heart health by improving the return of the venous volume to the heart and hence improving the circulation. It also improves your lung capacity. It helps in relieving your stress levels. It also helps to relax your spinal or the lower back muscles and also improves your overall body immunity. Thank you.